Hello everyone and welcome to The Letterhead, the show where we talk about sign painting, design, gilding and everything in between. So if you're about that, make sure to hit subscribe because I try and release a video about every 3 weeks. Now over the last few months I've been secretly working on one of the coolest projects I've ever been working on. I thought that I would spend the time to make a really unique piece of glass art using 23 karat gold and a bunch of different colours and a few different fades and things like that, and make something that was really ornate and something really cool to look at and something that I can hang on my wall and think, wow, that is the stuff. So the sign I've been making is a 23 karat gold billiards room sign, and I wanted something that was really classy, really elegant, and also something that was really timeless. And after all that time working on it, recording it, painting it, doing all the stuff I had to do it, I went to go and edit everything, and an entire middle of this video is all missing. It's all gone, I can't find it. Either it's been deleted, lost, put somewhere, I have no idea, but it isn't there. And it means that I've spent so long making this sign for the channel and just really to kind of test the limits of all the stuff we've learned on the channel and to kind of test out a few different things. And after all that work, it's all gone and I'm absolutely gutted. But at least I have this gilding section to show you, and to be honest, it is really good fun either way, and I'm really proud of how it turned out in the end. So as you heard me mention, for this sign I'm using 23 karat gold loose leaf. The gold and the gilded supplies, a lot of them I get from handovers in the UK, and they're really good for gilding and sign painting brushes and stuff like that. Really greatly priced, and a great selection as well. So if you have a look on there, you'll probably like a lot of the stuff you see on there. People often ask me where I get my stuff, and that is where I get a lot of my sign painting and gilding supplies. Now the gilding section of this generally took me about 2 nights. And mostly the problem I was having was the fact that the ridges where the paint were really high, and it was causing the gold leaf to lift off where the paint met the glass. So one thing that I had to do on the second time going over was get a piece of cotton wool and push into those gaps and make sure all the leaf was actually going into those gaps. Because when I went to burnishing, so much gold came off. And it was heartbreaking to see so much gold just fall off and have to be re-gilded anyway. So yeah, if you find that it's not sticking too well around your edges, whilst it's wet, just push a bit of cotton wool in there and push it down and make sure to get the gold to actually go into all those places. And there it is. That is my brilliant Billiards sign. I absolutely love it. It looks absolutely fantastic. The fading looks really, really good. You can actually see a lot of the glitters now that the sign has been backed up. Oh yeah, by the way, you missed that because I cut that out. I actually put a lot of glitter inside of the red sections as well. And it's kind of faint, but when you see it up close, it's really, really pronounced. It looked really, really good in person. Just a shame that I couldn't find the recordings of that section. Absolutely gutting. But overall, a brilliant sign. Now, of course, if you like the video, make sure to give it a like. And if you want to see more stuff like this, make sure to hit subscribe. I'm Lewis the Letterhead, and until next time, bye-bye.